Hello guys, welcome to another session. Today I Dhajishwani, your host, is going to teach you what notice writing. Guys, this is come in your academics, in English grammar. This comes notice writing, and this marks will be of 5 marks. Very important, 5 marks in the English paper. Very important. This it will come in your English paper of 5 marks. Okay, so let's begin. What is this? Notice writing. Notice writing is something I will tell you like that. For example, just real example notice that you can see here. These are notice in a school that we need this thing, that this thing is lost. These all are example of notice. The notice are a thing that has to be pasted on a board, and all the students used to read that notice. And if someone has the information regarding that notice, they used to contact. For example, you can say the real example is blood donation camp. They have given simply the what's simple given title here. What is the title? Blood donation camp. When venue, date and time, Saturday, date time, Saturday, day 8th June date, time from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Venue, Demta Goda Munyadab Juma Masjid, Minan Masjid. Okay. This clear information open for both ladies and gents, especially arrangement for ladies. And if some more details, if interested, please register in advance to serve mankind. Contact your organized by and the last organizer who organizes. It is organized by Demta Goda Masjid Federation organizer. Okay, let's move with this. A notice having a short piece of communication that is written in the formal style. That has been written in the formal style. For what? To convey important information for a group of people or for an organization. A well written notice means if you write a perfect notice, you need to follow some 5 points. What are the 5 points? I will tell you. First is what is happening, means that is what it is the event, what is the event, when it is going to happen, date, time, venue. Second is the where it will take place, venue. And third is the date when it will take place, date and time. And fourth, you have to give who are eligible for that. And at the last, you have to give that who has written this nomination, name of the organization, and the issuing authority. You can say some features of notice are also there. A notice or also written in a box, and should always be written in a third person. Means you have to write not in the first or second person, you have to write in the third person. And always their passive form should be at top. There comes the name of the organization. Then it must contain all the information about that. If you are in a camp, you have to give the name that this is the school, and then you have to give the information about the school, that they are the school. You have to give the information about the event that is happening in your school. Like for example, dance competition, when is going to take, when you have to register, who are eligible to register, which place, date, venue, everything you have to write. Okay. And you have to give a heading that if a person see from straight, see from a distance, and if he read the heading, so he must be attracted toward the notice, that he should has curiosity. What is there in the notice? I have curiosity. You have to write date of issue also, when this notice has been issued, and all the things to be there, the point. Nothing. You have to write the things which are not from the notice. You have to write all things which are up to the point. And what is the marking scheme in the English paper? I will tell you that also. Marking scheme. First of all, creative title will be taken. They will see you have given a heading, a creative heading or not. If you are given, so you will get 1 mark. Okay. Then they will see you have given name of the event also or not. Event name. If you have given, they will just give 1 mark more. They said to 2 marks. And if you have that date or time, so they both are of half a marks, meaning 1 marks. Understand? Means 1 mark. This at 3 marks. Place, Then venue, a smaller place, larger place, these have 1 marks, including both half or plus half. And main thing, target, student class. The target means who are eligible, who are not eligible, this adds 1 marks. 1 2 3 4 5, done. 5 marks. Okay, this is the format. So your school is hosting an inter school debate competition. Writing notice for a school, informing them of the event. Yes, one thing, the notice should not contain more than 50 words. If your notice contains more than 50 words, your 1 marks will be deducted. Means if you have up to the 0.5 marks, but you will get only 4 because you have written the notice in more. See, they have given war of words. This is the competition name. Inter-school debate competition is when, on, date, time, venue, and who are eligible people, and name of the organization and when it will take place. See this also an example. Okay guys, let me just see again the example, then we will move on. If you have seen the example. So guys, that was all for today. We will meet in the next session. Up to that, stay safe, stay positive. Tata, bye bye, good day, thank you.